Okay, so for 54, let me see what you could do with that. I'm going to do something first. I'm going to rewrite the integrand a little tiny bit. I'm not going to say it's going to be helpful. I have no idea. So 1, and I get x, and then I get 1 plus x cubed dx. All right? I'm kind of looking at that. I guess you could do partial fractions. And unfortunately, that looks like it might be a little more difficult than I expect, and I'll tell you why. The 1 plus x cubed is a difference. I'm sorry, semi-perfect cubes. I get an irreducible quadratic. It sounds like it's going to be a lot of work. All right. So I'm going to say that I'm not going to say that doesn't a good way to go, but I'm going to try something a little bit different. All right. And what I'm going to try here is I'm going to multiply top and bottom by x to the minus 4. And what do you get? You get x to the minus 4. On bottom, you get 1 plus x to the minus 3 dx. So why would you have done that? What I notice here is that this thing here, when differentiated, is certainly going to push this back at me. So I'm going to write that down now. I'm going to write down u equals 1 plus x to the minus 3. And that means du is going to be minus 3 x to the minus 4 dx. So I think I can make a substitution now. And write that down for you. Star here. I'm going to get 1 over u. And then the x to the minus 4 is going to be, let's see, minus 1/3 of a du. And am I getting something doable now? I am. What do I get? Minus 1/3 natural log, absolute value of u, plus some constant of integration, minus 1/3 natural log. What's u? It's 1 plus x to the minus 3 plus c. Again, if this is an exam, I'd put a box in and call it a day. And I want to look at the key now. See how we did. Am I seeing this answer over here? I think so. Right here. Yep. Plus c. I noticed it's something else. And again, I want to encourage you, don't discount this, because when you're on a multiple choice exam, you might not be seeing that answer. You might be seeing something different. Then you don't go into panic mode. You start to rewrite what you've got written down, which I'm going to do right now. And this would be a common denominator of x cubed here. And you get x cubed plus 1. Let's see if that's what they have listed. And they do not have that listed. And another variation of it. What they do, they took the minus 1 up. And what do they get? 1/3 natural log, the reciprocal now, x cubed over x cubed plus 1. A lot of variation here. And be prepared for that when you take a multiple exam. Is that the variation I'm seeing over here? It certainly is. I'm seeing that now. Thank you.